how to integrate various AI tools into your process and workflow. There are many tools out there that help with this, but it's kind of tricky and complicated because, for example, if you want to use ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity, and you want to add a CSV file or whatever, you would be required to log in with your own account into each platform, right? Like, for example, log in with your ChatGPT account and then log in with your Claude account, and etc., etc. But there's a simpler way to do all this, right? For this example, I'll just create a very simple workflow which doesn't require all this. It doesn't require you to kind of signing up or logging in with all your accounts. All you have to do is add your input and then build your workflow as you go with each tool that you need without needing to log in, right? I will pick a very simple example here. Let's say we want to use multiple tools, multiple AI tools to create a social media post, right? A social media post about an e-commerce brand, a product, right? I just picked a random product here, which is this one. So let's just grab the URL. So all you want to do, you want to start from the URL and end up with a social media post for this product. And you want to incorporate different AI tools, right? You come in here and add the input field. And in this case is, let's call this product URL, and then copy paste the URL of this product that we just saw, right? So we click save and add prompts, right? Then what we have to do is add the data extender, which will grab the URL, which is better than having AI browsing internet like ChatGPT can do. This really gets the exact data, the exact content from that page, and then you can work on it as you go, instead of just kind of not knowing what ChatGPT is doing when it's looking at that URL. You have more control here and you're more sure of the output, right? So let's just go ahead and grab the web page content screenshot data extender, which, by the way, it also allows you to screenshot the whole page if you want. Render and full page screenshot, we can do that. And then click save and test. Okay, the data extender has been updated and added. Now we have all the content in here from that page, right? So now let's just think for a second, right? So we do have the content from that web page. Now we were going to use different AI systems, right? So let's say we want to use ChatGPT for caption, right? ChatGPT for post caption, okay? And then we want to use, say, Claude for hashtags. Then we want to use Flux for imagery generation, right? So let's say Flux for image of the post. We can also, let's say you also want to add to that caption some facts about video games, such as this product, right? So let's say we want to use Perplexity for that reason. Perplexity for stats on K, say. Okay. So now what we do is say, write a social media caption for product based on product page. Then we say that product page content is this one. We put in here all website content. We can also do main website content, but all website content grabs even more content. So let's just click save and test. So now we do have the caption. Now let's use Claude to add some hashtags. So we say create a hashtag list for the social media caption below. So now caption, we grab the prompt result because we have it, right? Here, now we move to Claude. We want Claude, right? So we go ahead and use Claude. As you can see, you don't need to log in or anything. Okay, it gave us some pre-text, so we can simply say return only the hashtag list, no pre or post text, and let's just retest. Awesome. Here we go. We have the hashtag list. So now for the image generation, we want to use Flux, right? So we say an image for, and let's just, actually, this is not a proper prompt for an image generation, but let's just see what happens, just to show you that you can still incorporate Flux into this workflow or process, right? So an image for, and we give the caption, right? So here we go and pick Flux. We're gonna go with the Pro version. That's pretty insane. Did it just generate the same images here? That's really crazy. Well, maybe we don't want this. We just wanted some people playing. Let's say teenagers playing, and then add the prompt. Oh, now it's better. This is really better. Let's say we want this one. And we want to add some stats and facts to this product just to show the ability that we also have some AI systems that actually go and browse the web properly. We can use Perplexity, but I think for longer input, Gemini Pro is the perfect tool for that reason. So let's just go and pick Google Gemini. We have Pro here. And we click browse some stats and facts about the industry product. Here we add the product, let's say main website content or all website content. Let's try both. Okay, it gave us stats about the company that sells them. Let's say we do main website content, just use the caption. There you go. It's now giving us some. So now if we want to do the caption better, what we can do is combine these stats about the product with the caption. So improve the caption with more stats and facts thanks to the information from the product. So here we say caption was this one. Then we say Gemini info about product. Let's use ChatGPT. If you want, you can use Claude here as well. Again, here, let's say return no pre or post text. Here we are. So this was the caption before, right? And now this is the caption. It says perfect for 4 players. More information. It also says the years, versions. So yeah, this is it. So now, as you can see, we used different ones. We used ChatGPT for the post caption based on the URL, right? Then we used Claude for hashtags and it gave us hashtags. Then we used Flux for image and it gave us brother and sister playing. And then we had Gemini to add some more stats and facts to the caption with its browsing abilities. As you can see, grounding with Google search is yes. You can set it to no if you want to. And then we just improved the caption by adding those stats and facts, right? So as you can see, we just used 1, 2, 3, and Gemini Pro 4 tools without needing to log in, without needing to sign up with different accounts into one workflow. And now what you can do is you can even save this, right? So if you save this as a template, and let's say, just say this is a description. Now, all you have to do, this also works as a tool, right? So once the template is saved, this is what you can do. You just grab this, put it in here, click run, and it will do the whole thing on its own. It has all the tools inside, but works as an actual tool, right? And you can even see the steps executing here. So first of all, is requesting access to website content on the URL. Then now it's writing the caption. Now it's just generating the hashtags with Claude. Now it's just generating the image with Flux, getting stats from Gemini Pro, and making the caption better. Finishing, loading results, and here you have everything, right? Okay, the image is not the greatest. It's as you saw, the prompt, we did not work much on the prompt. It was just to tell you how you can use all these tools. But it did give you everything, right? So that's it. This is it for this video. This is how to integrate various AI tools into your process or workflow. No need to log in, no need to sign up, no need to add all your accounts into the workflow. PromptMate can do that for you, and even save them as solutions at the end. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments section. I will be more than happy to help you, and I'll see you in the next video.